I love French fries, particularly when I don't feel guilty having them. And that's why I cook them in an air fryer. Thanks to Tefal, they've brought out this fantastic new Ultimate Fry Deluxe. It's fantastic because it's got a large capacity, 1.2 litres. You can have your favourite chippies with little or no oil. You can see with this handle that you can take it off quite easily. So it can be attached to this basket or to the bowl. What I'm going to demonstrate is my favourite thing to cook in this air fryer, and that is French fries. We'll just pop in the basket, and then you can see here on this unique touchscreen that there are 8 different functions. I'm just going to place it onto the chip function and it'll cook at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. All right, the French fries are ready. It smells fantastic in here. And have a look how golden brown this chip is. That's because of that powerful airflow that we get from this super compact fryer. I love these chippies, but I love this air fryer even more because of its detachable non-stick base that is 100% dishwasher safe. So forget about deep frying, it's all about air frying.